Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to learn all about how to grow morning glory, or Ipomoea. It's a beautiful plant from the tropics. So Ipomoea, or morning glory, or a vine that grows in tropical climates, so anywhere near the equator. They're used to climates with no summer or winter difference. They like stable, warm temperatures and lots of humidity year-round. So when you're growing them as a plant in your garden, there's a few tricks that you should follow. And first of all, you can start them by seed in the spring, and then they'll make the vine and they'll bloom all summer long, and then you just save the seeds in the fall and cut them back and then replant them in the spring. Now, the common morning glory, or Ipomoea indica, is found throughout tropical regions, and they're a perennial climber regarded as a nuisance weed in some areas. In some areas, they're just taking over. They have heart-shaped leaves and then funnel-shaped flowers. They look kind of like a petunia or a hibiscus. They come in vibrant dark blues and purples, and they're just a gorgeous, vibrant colors in the summertime. And they are a vine, so you have to have something for them to grow onto, whether it's a trellis or a fence or even a tree, and they'll bloom all summer. So morning glory need to have full hot sun. They kind of look like a clematis that can do shade, but they need full hot sun. And you want to give them lots of water when they're growing in the summertime. And if you live in a warmer climate, you can actually put them in part shade and they'll survive as well. But if you live in a colder climate, definitely give them enough sun. And make sure they dry out in between watering too. They don't want to sit in a bog of water because you'll lose them. But either way, they're an easy vine to grow.